Deep within a dewdrop, unseen battles for survival shape entire lineages over millennia. Tiny creatures possess evolutionary blueprints, refined through countless generations, driving astonishing adaptations. The world beneath our notice teems with life, each organism a testament to relentless evolutionary pressure. Macrophotography reveals these miniature sagas, uncovering the intricate details of their existence. These close-up views expose the subtle features determining life or death, reproduction or extinction. Every microscopic hair, every iridescent scale, serves a precise purpose in this brutal evolutionary game. Scientists observe how ancient genetic instructions guide astonishing behaviors and physical transformations. These small wonders demonstrate evolution's profound power, constantly sculpting life forms for specific niches. Understanding these intricate adaptations helps us grasp the fundamental processes driving all biodiversity. From camouflage to intricate hunting tools, tiny creatures showcase nature's most ingenious design solutions. The relentless competition forces constant innovation, pushing species towards ever more specialized traits. We glimpse life's fundamental struggle for dominance and propagation, pushing species towards ever more specialized traits, played out in extraordinary miniature. Consider the orchid mantis, a master of deception whose body mimics delicate flower petals precisely. Its stunning coloration isn't merely beautiful. It's a predatory trap honed by centuries of natural selection. This camouflage attracts pollinating insects, which unknowingly become the mantis's next unsuspecting meal. Experts suggest that small random genetic mutations first gave some mantises a slight floral resemblance. Individuals with better mimicry caught more prey, survived longer, and passed on their advantageous genes. Over countless generations, this iterative process refined the mantis's disguise to near-perfect floral imitation. But its evolutionary story holds an even more surprising twist. Many predatory insects evolved drab colors to blend into bark or foliage, becoming almost invisible. The orchid mantis, however, evolved to stand out, drawing its prey in with vibrant, deceptive beauty. This unique strategy represents an evolutionary arms race, where both predator and prey constantly adapt. Imagine a microscopic battle where a single gene shift dictates the survival of an entire species. Researchers observed how some butterflies develop toxicity, deterring predators through bitter-tasting compounds. This chemical defense evolved from simple metabolic byproducts, gradually becoming a potent protective mechanism. Yet, not all predators were deterred by this evolving poison. Some bird species developed resistance, learning to identify and avoid the most toxic butterflies quickly. Others even evolved the ability to consume these toxic insects, metabolizing the poisons harmlessly. This continuous back and forth illustrates coevolution, where species drive each other's genetic changes mutually. A tiny parasitic wasp lays its eggs inside other insects, hijacking their bodies for its offspring's development. The host insect often evolves strategies to detect and encapsulate the foreign eggs, preventing parasitism. Conversely, the wasp continually evolves countermeasures, finding new ways to evade the host's immune system. This hidden war reveals incredible genetic ingenuity on both sides. These macro-level observations unveil genetic drift, where chance events also alter gene frequencies significantly. A sudden environmental shift, like a localized drought, might disproportionately affect certain phenotypes. Such random occurrences can dramatically reshape a population's genetic makeup, even without direct selection pressure. Furthermore, sexual selection drives many exaggerated features, like the elaborate antennae of certain beetles. Females often prefer males with the most impressive or intricate displays, signaling genetic fitness. This preference reinforces the development of these seemingly impractical traits across generations. But what happens when these evolutionary paths lead to dead ends? Sometimes, extreme specialization can make a species vulnerable to even slight environmental changes. A highly adapted predator might starve if its specific prey suddenly disappears. Extreme specialization can make a species vulnerable to even slight environmental changes. This delicate balance highlights the constant trade-offs inherent in every evolutionary adaptation. The microscopic world demonstrates that evolution is not a march towards perfection, but continuous adaptation. These tiny dramas teach us profound lessons about resilience, diversity, and the interconnectedness of life. Experts often look to these macroevolutionary examples for insights into larger ecological systems. Understanding insect evolution, for instance, informs our approach to pest control and disease vectors. The rapid evolution of antibiotic resistance in bacteria mirrors these same fundamental processes microscopically. Every organism, no matter how small, plays a critical role in maintaining the planet's delicate equilibrium. Disrupting one tiny link in this vast evolutionary chain can trigger unforeseen cascading ecological effects. Protecting these miniature worlds is crucial for preserving the planet's overall genetic richness and stability. The ingenuity displayed by a beetle's iridescent shell or a fly's compound eye inspires technological innovations. Biomimicry draws direct inspiration from these perfected natural designs, enhancing human engineering solutions.
We gain a deeper appreciation for life's enduring creativity, constantly finding new ways to thrive.
This intricate tapestry of life, woven through billions of years, continues to evolve around us. The relentless pressure of natural selection shapes every creature, from the simplest bacterium to complex beings. Observing these microscopic wonders reveals the universal principles governing all living systems on Earth. This hidden world reminds us that even the smallest lives hold the grandest evolutionary stories. The close-up view of nature unveils evolution's magnificent artistry, crafting life in countless forms. Every tiny creature embodies an ancient narrative of adaptation, survival, and genetic triumph. These miniature battles and ingenious strategies continue to unfold, shaping the future of life itself. If you found this journey into the macro world fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Hit the like button to support our channel, and share your favorite evolutionary marvel in the comments below. Join us next time as we explore another hidden facet of our astonishing, evolving natural world. If you found this journey into the macro world fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.